In this video, I'll show you how to customize touch settings in your Android phone. So at first, just swipe down and then tap on this gear icon to open up your settings app. From here, scroll all the way down, then go to accessibility. After that, just go to interaction and dexterity and scroll down a bit. That's it. Here you can see touch settings option, and under the touch settings you can find three options which you can use to customize your touch settings. You can see touch and hold delay, tap duration, ignore repeated touches. So if I tap on touch and hold delay, from here you can set how long it takes for a continuous touch to be recognized as a touch and hold. So you can choose any option as you want: custom, long, medium, short, very short. But I suggest you to set short, which is recommended for your phone. So just go back and then tap on tap duration. From here you can change your tap duration. You can choose 0.1 seconds, 0.2 seconds, but 0.1 seconds is better for your phone experience. So just try it out and then tap here and it's done. Then just tap on done and it's complete. And that is how you can customize your touch settings in your Android phone. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe.